In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, but you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to hit Apps section. Then tap on Default Apps, click on Home App, and click on Launcher Pro in order to apply it. Then wait for this pop-up and hit Allow All. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wanna make any changes to it, you need to access Launcher app. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you need to go into the same section in Settings and click on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!